I am super excited to announce that we have this house coming on the market. As you drive up here on well-groomed state and county roads, you'll see just amazing vistas everywhere you look. There's aspen groves, there's deers running through the forest, there's granite from a lava age long ago. It's just beautiful, and you might ask yourself, could I really live up here all the time? Could I find a house that meets my needs? And the answer is yes and yes. This house is spectacular. Over 3,400 square feet, 2-stall garage, RV parking. In the back, there's 3 or 4 levels of patio with hot tubs and fire pits and barbecue. And then you have the interior with great wood flooring, lovely carpet, beautiful windows, and you just cannot really describe the views. They're just spectacular. It's been totally fire mitigated, so you can get home insurance on it with no problem. Just everything you'd ever want in a mountain home. This is it, and it's at a great price. Really hope you can make it up here and see it. Thanks so much.